Even with perfect setup, trades can still go into loss. That's where average traders panic, but smart traders switch perspective. In this video, I'm going to show you why Martingale is not just a strategy, it's a calculated move used at the right moment. On this particular currency pair NZD-CAD, I have taken a call entry with multiple confirmations. The first confirmation trading with the trend. The major trend is up, which is why I am biased towards call entry. The second confirmation is the target of the market, which is the yellow line which I have just placed. And the third confirmation, the gap up opening of the next candle. So technically, when a candle does gap up opening, the market tends to retrace down, fill the gap, and then continue going upward. And that is the reason why I've taken my marginal safety entry here, because of these confirmations. And even though I've got multiple confirmations to take a call entry, look at this trade. This trade is actually going against my favor. And now, technically, I have lost this trade. But that's not the full story, guys. I have executed multiple one-step martingale entries right at the opening of the candle without hesitation and without any second guessing. Why? Because now the setup became even more stronger. The last red candle didn't just fill the gap, it has completed the FFLC. And whenever FFLC happens, the market has high tendency to reverse, which I have mentioned in my previous videos as well. And adding to that, we have got multiple confirmations still intact, and we are trading in the direction of the major trend. This isn't just random trading, this is a refined execution. And just like that, the market moved exactly as I anticipated. My one-step martingale entries started going in my favor. And yes, I took a loss initially, but I didn't panic or change my bias. I trusted my analysis, stayed disciplined, and executed with a plan. Result, the recovery was very clean, loss covered into solid profit booking. And this is what most traders don't understand. Now I'm going to explain you with a screenshot. Here market was clearly uptrend. So our bias should always be towards call entry trade. So the major trend was uptrend. That was our first confirmation. The second confirmation was the target of the market, which I have already placed with a yellow line. And just like here, the market did a sweep. And from that sweep, market started to go up towards the target of the market. I have made a separate video on sweep entries in my last video, and here market reversed once again, but it did sweep, which is why the next green candle was formed. And if you notice, the green candle has completely fulfilled the red candle, the previous red candle, which is why market also reversed with a red candle. But the candle did a gap up opening, which is why I was sure that the next candle should definitely become a green one, because whenever in an uptrend, whenever a candle does gap up, the candle will go down, fill the gap, and move up. But that didn't happen. Rather, the candle turned into a red one, giving us a FFLC, that is fulfill last candle. The red candle completely fulfilled the green candle. And now that was my additional confirmation for taking one-step martingale, which I have taken a call entry with my one-step martingale, and that was a 100% winning trade. Now market can go either direction, market can move up or down, or market can even fulfill its target by its wick. I hope you understood the logic behind my one-step martingale trade and why sometimes one-step martingale is required, especially in binary trading. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the description box below. I'll come back with another powerful video. Until then, keep learning, and as always, happy trading, guys.